Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day in my life. Today's video is sponsored by Green Chef and I made a recipe that is unlike anything I've ever made before. It was so good and I can say that my palate has now expanded. Today's video is really sweet. We started working on our fall garden. Also, Logan is slowly discovering the joys of toys. With all of that being said, let's hop right in. I feel like there's something deeply true about that quote. So this is my basket of seeds for what we wanted to try to plant for our fall garden. So as you can see, we have some butternut squash, some Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, spinach, this Merlot lettuce, which I've tried to grow in the tower garden. It hasn't ever gone dark red like this, so I'm excited to try it outside. And then some cilantro, because I've never been able to grow cilantro that's been like really good. I tried in the summer and failed. I've tried inside and kind of failed. Also some arugula, and last but not least, some pumpkins. We decided to add some containers for our fall garden. If you look on the left there, I actually recently purchased an apple tree. So I'm excited to see how this goes. I'm going to be growing it in a container, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Fruit trees take a while and I'm new to the game, but I'm excited. So I started out by laying out the seed packets in the container that I wanted to plant. Also, if someone could tell my chickens to stop pecking at my feet, that'd be great. By the way, my tomato plants are definitely on their way out now, but I still have some more tomatoes to harvest, and I'm actually trying to find the time to process them, hopefully like today or tomorrow, so they don't go bad. I'm thinking like some pasta sauce. Just thought I would also show you how much the chickens loved the corn that we grew. So at this point, when it was time to plant the seeds, Logan was down for his nap, and nap times are the times when Dan and I like sprint to do everything that we feel like we couldn't do or literally weren't able to do when Logan was awake. So we ran downstairs to plant these seeds, but it was kind of an annoying time to plant, if I'm being honest, because there were so many mosquitoes everywhere, and I'm slowly getting used to the mosquitoes out here, kind of, but also it low-key drives me insane. I get bit all over. So you can see us swatting constantly as we're planting. But yeah, we just planted all of our seeds. So after we had dug holes in the soil, put in our seeds, covered them back up, we did, the essential thing of watering the soil to help germinate the seeds and give it, like a nice moist base. I don't know why I'm explaining that. Maybe for those of you that literally know nothing about planting seeds, that's what we did. Random shout out to the oils in my bathroom. I still love this shelf. I get a lot of questions about it. I will link it down below. If you ever have questions about essential oils, by the way, feel free to send me a DM on my essential oils Instagram and I will get back to you there. Just doing morning chores. Lately, I have been much more about getting my house chores down, or like my basic homemaking tasks done before I do my work. The Daily Connoisseur here on YouTube, she did a video recently giving her opinions on like homemaking lessons she learned from the Little House on the Prairie books. And that's one of the things that she mentioned, the importance of doing your homemaking first and how that sets up the rest of your day. I think especially for, stay-at-home moms or people who work from home or, everyone that is stuck at home right now, this is a really great tip to get your mind and body kind of flowing in a positive direction for the rest of the day. All right, so this is the meal that I was talking about. I have never made anything like this. So I was both nervous and excited to try this dish, and it's literally changed my palate. So to those of you that don't know what Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company that makes meals that are easy and affordable. Their meals are sustainably sourced, high quality, wholesome meals that cater to multiple dietary needs. Their meal plans include paleo, plant-powered, keto, and balanced living. Green Chef is now owned by HelloFresh to offer an even wider array of meals and meal plans to choose from. So the cool thing about that is now you guys can actually try either brand using my discount code. Everything in the meal kit is hand-picked and delivered right to your door. As you can see, the ingredients come pre-measured, perfectly portioned, and mostly prepped, which is awesome because I find that most of the time that I'm wanting to use my meal kit are nights when I'm not super in the mood to cook or I'm feeling uninspired. So with Green Chef, it's easy to eat well and discover new recipes every week that you'll love to cook, not only because it's new, but also because, like I said, it's actually really easy. With Green Chef's wide variety of high quality and clean ingredients, you can feel good about what you're eating at your table and how it got there. Green Chef's expert chefs work to design flavorful recipes for your lifestyle that go beyond ordinary substitutions. When I cook from these kits, I learn something new every single time. If you want to try out Green Chef, use my code Nikkiphillippi to get $80 off of your first month plus free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.us/Nikkiphillippi to redeem and get more details.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine.
All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Once again, use the code NikkiP80 for $80 off your first month plus free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.us/NikkiP80. By the way, don't forget to check the info box for today's giveaway, and I will hopefully see you back here soon with another new video. Bye, guys.